Right, so we keep getting asked about hotel prices, and it's and where's the best place to stay in Naga?
Yeah.
There's so many nice places to stay in Naga, depending on obviously what you're prepared to pay, but the majority on average are around 1,400 per night. So that's like for a 24-hour stay. It's not just overnight. So there's different prices for like a 12-hour stay. So if you, for example, if you turned up at 7 o'clock at night and you left the next morning, you're going to be paying half that. We'll give you an example. Oh, but before we do, I'm sorry this video's a bit late, but we've had lots of rain. This camera is absolute garbage. So if you're looking for a GoPro, don't buy a GoPro 5 or GoPro 6 because they're absolute garbage.
Yes,
there's lots of problems with them. If you look online, I'm having problems. A lot of the time the video, there's no sound, and when there is sound, there's a noise on the sound. It wouldn't stop switching off the other day, and also we had a lightning strike and it's going to knock the motherboard out on my desktop. So my desktop's a doorstop. It's not...
You have a lot of bad experience on your GoPro, right?
Yeah. If this goes, Guy, if this breaks totally, I'm stuffed, and I'm hoping this is going to be alright, because the last videos we took were of the hotels and the sound was horrendous. So, right, where we are now, we're at the first, well, not the first, this is about the second or third hotel. It's just the sequence we're doing it in. So we'll wait till this traffic goes. It's not stopped raining either, guys. It's been absolutely silent it down, so we couldn't get out. So you can see it, we're right in the centre of Naga, and we are at the Moraville Hotel. Now there's three hotels. There's the Moraville, there's the Eurotel. No, we're not doing the Starview, we're doing the one CBD. And then there's the very, very cheap. We'll be showing you. Now, the rates for this hotel are very, very good, and the hotel's lovely. The rooms are clean. Yeah. You get breakfast, free, and there's free breakfast and Wi-Fi.
If you get the 12 hours, you have a free breakfast. But if 24 hours, free buffet.
Yeah, you get breakfast and a free buffet for the 24 hours. So, to me, 1,100 pesos. 1,100 pesos, it's really good value for money for the 24 hours. So this is one I'd recommend. If you go to the end here where you can see the trikes turning right, you're about 8-minute walk to SM. So you're not far away, and Plaza's to the left, and you're literally a 2-minute walk to the Plaza. So you're right dead smack in the centre of Naga. So these are in no order of preference. The first three hotels we show you are really nice. You don't have to see the rooms. If you want to see the rooms, go online, and they've got pictures of the rooms. They're beautiful, very clean, professionally run establishments. You'll be really pleased. So we've got this hotel. You what, baby?
Smell good.
They smell good, yeah. They smell good as well. So, on to the next hotel.
Yeah. See you.
Now then, what do we have here? We have the CBD Plaza Hotel, and it's right next to the bus terminal. So, Bicol Central Station, and you're right next to SM. Now, I believe the prices here are about 1,400 pesos on average a night. But they do have deals every now and then. If you go on one of these online sites, Pagoda and places like that, they do have better room deals, so you've always got to check them out. So this is the second hotel on my list. We don't need to show you the rooms because the hotel's really beautiful. I've had 1 or 2 foreigners stay here that I've met in SM, and they all give it a good...
To ask the price is how much?
Okay, are you going to ask the price, babe?
No, you're the one
Right,
ask.
go on then. Have I been here before? No, I haven't.
Kasi mag-inquire lang po. May ano po kayo, may parang rates room?
Paano lang tao? Pang good for lunch?
It's a really nice hotel, this, and if you're not shy of spending 1,400 pesos a night, well, it is for a 24-hour stay again, and breakfast is included. I'm not sure about the buffet.
Pero single bed lang yun.
Pag duwa, same din. It's 1,500.
Oh, it's 1,500 a night. Now that includes Wi-Fi, breakfast.
Free shuttle to the
Is that for 24 hours?
overnight until 12 noon tomorrow.
So you arrive at 12 and leave at 12.
3 p.m. Now,
You arrive at 3 p.m. and leave at 12 the next day.
yeah.
Do you get buffet in that? Do you get anything else, or is it just breakfast?
Breakfast.
Sa breakfast lang.
Breakfast lang.
Ano pa yung ate free shuttle pa?
Oh,
Free shuttle. Free shuttle.
3 shuttle. What, from the bus terminal? It's just there, Mel.
We need to ask pa also about the requirements for the foreigner, right? We forgot.
No, we don't. That's fine. Yeah. Come on then. Thank you, Ate. So there you have it. The last hotel, the one before this one, is 1,100 for 24 hours, and you get free buffet as well as your breakfast. So this is 400 pesos more expensive, and it's not 24 hours, is it, actually?
Just 12 lang.
So it's a lot of money.
I think it's, for me, it's better the first one.
Yeah, the first one
Center also.
has my thumbs up,
Yeah.
but I've had such good feedback from this hotel. But from my point of view, I'd rather have it cheap and get more for my money. So that other hotel's winning. So next stop is the Eurotel.
It's in, it's in market.
Yeah, it's opposite the People's Market. It's right next to the flood defences, so you can look out on the
side of the river.
on the river. It's flood defence. It's not really a river, is it? Whatever.
How about the Sogo?
How about what, babe?
Sogo.
Sogo, what's
Sogo
that?
Hotel.
Yeah, we'll be doing the budget hotel. If you're like backpacking, or you're like me and you've got no money, then you'll be staying in this hotel. But I wanted to give you another option if you want to stay here, because there is lots of options. I mean, we've hardly scratched the surface with hotels. This hotel's all over Naga.
Yeah, it's a lot. You can pick.
All different prices. You know, like bed sits and stuff like that, you can go, that's sort of hotelish, where you can stay overnight, and it's like, you know, 400 pesos, that kind of thing. Right, so you want budget? I'll give you budget. Now we've got Plaza over here, so you're in the centre of Naga again. I mean, I could take you to the Avenue Hotel at Magsaysay, but it's too far outside of Naga. It's not convenient. Beautiful hotel, but it's beautiful prices as well. So the first hotel you've seen is winning so far. Now, This is it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping